Do you want to connect your YouTube channel with a Facebook fan page by adding a YouTube tab or watch our video button to a Facebook fan page? I will show you two techniques to get this done. Welcome to my channel Tech and Techno. So without wasting time, let's start. The first way shows you how to add a YouTube button to a Facebook page using the Add a Button tool on Facebook. To add YouTube button on your Facebook page, you have to first create your own Facebook page. To create your page, click here and then click on Manage Pages. And now click on Create Page. As I already have my Facebook page, so I will open my Facebook page. So now my page is opened. You can see here Add a Button. Click on Add a Button. Now click on Learn more about your business like this and select Watch Video. Now click on Next. Now click on Website Link. Now you have to paste your channel link here. As this is my channel link, so I will copy it and paste it there. And click on Save button. Now click on Finish button. Now you can also test your button by clicking on Test button, and the Facebook will directly refer you or anyone else to your YouTube channel. This is a very good method to take your Facebook audience to YouTube and get more watch time and views. The second way shows you how to add a YouTube tab for a Facebook fan page using a popular Facebook YouTube app. Each way has different drawbacks and benefits. The Facebook Add a Button sends you off-site, which decreases time spent on your Facebook page, but it is beneficial for channel. The YouTube app keeps you on the Facebook page, which increases time spent on the Facebook page and increases external YouTube video views. And according to me, the external YouTube video views can be dangerous for new YouTubers. I will explain it in the end that how it can be dangerous. Now let's start working on adding YouTube tab. Search for YouTube tab in Facebook search engine. Click on the first one as it is the most popular and working. Now click on Use App. Select your page in which you want to add YouTube tab. Now click on Add Page tab. It will take a bit time to install. Now you have to set these settings. No problem, I will show you how to do it. Copy your channel ID and paste it here. If you want to copy only channel ID, that's great. But if you want to copy full channel link, it's okay, because Facebook will get channel ID from it automatically. And now click on Save Settings. Now you can see that all my YouTube videos are here. Anyone can watch my videos by staying on Facebook. In last, I want to explain you something very important. If you use YouTube tab, it will increase your external views on video. More external views on video means that YouTube search engine will not rank your video higher. And now suppose that if your new video is not ranked higher by YouTube, then what will happen? You only have to rely on external views from Facebook or any other platforms. The YouTube search engine views will get a big stop, and a time will come that your video will get no more views. So if you want to use YouTube tab, you have to be calculated in order to balance your external and YouTube views. For new YouTubers, it can be dangerous. That's why I don't use it. I will recommend you to use Watch Video button only. Tell me below in the comments that what you decided. Are you using both or only one of them? Also tell me the reason. If you added tab and want to remove it, go to your page settings. Select Templates and tab here. Scroll down and here you can see YouTube. Click on Settings and simply off it and save the settings. You are done. It's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share, and thank you.